In this tutorial, I will show you how to use stacked area chart. So as you can see, we have months and then income for X and Y axis with two time series, 2019-2020, and then one series stacked on top of each other, especially for January to May. Let's create a new project. Let me copy package, import of XML documents, and then adding title to this stage. This is a stacked area chart. Let me remove button and label. Enlarge layout, 640 and then 400 pixels. Stacked area chart, adjust in the middle. For title, I will just say revenue, FX ID, stacked area chart, xAxis, for label I will say months, income with thousands, y-axis, save it and make a new controller. I will remove these methods. This time I'm going to use integer, then double. You can use super type called number. That is the abstract class. Let's prepare XYChart for two series eventually. Series 2019. Let me add a legend to series 2019. I'm going to add 12 data sets to this series. The first one represents January 2019. I'm going to use number 1 and then 30,000, which is 30.0. Then I will copy paste it 11 times to make up to December 2019. You can change the integer value to be 2 to 12, and then you can adjust some numbers for the revenue, actually income, for the particular months. Then we can add this series to stacked area chart. So it's going to show us number 1 to 12, start with the 0, and then end up with the 13. So let's copy and paste it. We are in May, so I will copy only 1 to 5, change to 20, 20, so let's say minus value. Just want to demonstrate negative value, a bit lower compared to last year. Then add all series 2020 up to 2019. So if you look at here 2020, you can see that the number 1 to 5 is stacked over another series. That's the idea of a stacked area chart. But let me fix the problem with the x-axis. For example, we can manually set the lower bound of x-axis. By default, it starts with 0. So let me change to number 1. Set lower bound, number 1. Also, we can change the upper bound of x-axis. It's called here as a set upper bound, let's say 12. So that represents number 1 to 12. And so one more thing we may need to change is called as a tick unit. At this point, it seems okay. So set tick unit, it should be 1. Okay. So at this point it looks okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes it shows up like 1, 3, 5. So months by months. So I would say unit should be number 1. Say 1 to 12, that should be fixed. Okay. So here what you need to do is we call it as autoranging. It should be turned off. Default is true, so we will turn it off or change to false. So that will be adjusted, okay, manually. Start from number 1, end up with a 12 instead of 0 to 13. See, now we change to 1 to 12. Idea of using Sim Builder is we don't have to do all these things manually. We can do same thing with Sim Builder. That's the idea of using Sim Builder at this point. So minimize all those manual codings as much as we can. So here, if you look at xAxis, autoranging, we can turn it off. And then here, lower bound, we change to 1. Upper bound, we change to 12 instead of 100. Now its tick is 1, 5, 10, isn't it? So we change to 1. Okay, default is 5, change to 1. So now looks like 1 to 12. Save it. Make controller. So this is exactly what we need. Then we can actually change the settings by using Sim Builder. Okay, that's all. Thank you.